The ASS Opti Flansch purging system by Holzer ASS is used for medium to large pipe diameters. It covers a diameter range from 98 to 320 millimeters. The system was developed to offer easy handling, short setup times, and reliable results across various pipe sizes. A key feature of the ASS Opti Flansch system is its bonded overall construction. Unlike modular systems, the individual components do not need to be assembled or adjusted before each use. Most parts are permanently connected, significantly reducing assembly effort. At the same time, the design allows for a quick replacement of the sealing lips without disassembling the entire unit. The Opti Flansch version was specifically developed for welding flange joints. On one side of the system, a hemispherical seal replaces the standard sealing lips, reliably sealing the flange area. Particularly useful during installation is the ergonomically designed handle. This version ensures precise purging even in flange connections. The purging chamber plays a central role in the system's function. Purging gas is introduced into the chamber and exits on the gas outlet side. Integrated sintered metal inserts slow the gas flow and distribute the purging gas evenly within the purge zone, ensuring efficient oxygen displacement. Triple lip sealing discs ensure a stable fit inside the pipe. These sealing lips not only provide reliable sealing but also high stability, even in pipe bends or complex routing situations.